Hello children, today we are going to do the textbook exercises of the lesson Keep the Beach Clean, page number 107. Page number 107. Open to page 107. Now the first exercise, A mean, write T for true or NT for not true. True means the sentence, whatever I am reading, if it is correct, you should write T. And the sentence, if it is wrong, we should write NT. That is not true. Now let's start the exercise. First one, Laya and her friends went to the beach to play. That is true. Write T in the box, capital T in the box. Hope you all remember the story. Now number 2, Laya and her friends began to play on the beach. Is the sentence correct, children? Did they start to play on the beach? No, that is wrong. So we have to write NT. Not true. Finished? Now the third one, they threw the rubbish into the sea. It's saying, the sentence is saying that they threw the rubbish, they threw the litter into the sea. Is it correct? No, that is wrong. So we have to write NT. Next one, fourth one, the beach was dirty the next morning. Is it correct? Is the sentence correct? Yes, they cleaned on the first day, they cleaned and went back. Again when they came the next day, it was dirty, right? So we have to write true. T. Now the last one, they put up signs to tell others to keep the beach clean. Is it correct? Yes, write T here. Now, B main, answer these questions. You need to write in the classwork, children. Just we'll discuss the answers here. Why were Laya and her friends at the beach? Laya and her friends were at the beach to play. Second question, oh no, we can't play here, said Tarun. Why did he say that? He said that because it was dirty. How did Laya and her friends clean the beach? They picked up all the litter and what they did, they put it in the big dustbins on the beach. Number 4, what did the signs say? The signs said, keep the beach clean, isn't it? We need to write these question answers in the classwork, children. For page 107, B main, answer these questions. For these 4 questions, I will show you the answers, children. You can just pause it and note down the answers. I'll show you. Enjoying the story? Who is your favorite character? Tell your teacher why. You need to tell who the favorite character is from the story. Second one, do you think it was a good idea to clean the beach and not play? Tell your teacher why. Yes, that's a good idea, right? If the beach is dirty, we can't play. So we need to clean it first and then we need to play. Grammar and usage, the simple past tense. There are 3 tenses, right? Past, present and future. Past means the work is done. The work is over. Present tense means what? The work is going on. And future is that will happen later. So here we are going to learn about the simple past tense. How to change. Read this sentence. They cleaned the beach. When we talk about an action that is over, we add D or ED to the doing word or the verb. Work plus ED is equal to worked. The children worked hard. That means the work is over. The action is over. So that is past tense. So we'll change verb to past tense by adding ED. Or wherever E is already there, we'll just add D. Page number 108. A main, add ed to these words. 3 words are from the story. So we are going to change all these words to past tense by adding ed at the end. First one, jump. It is changed to past tense by adding ed at the end. Number 2, frighten, frightened. Ed, frightened. So it is a past tense. Now number 3, reach, reached. We have changed the word reach to past tense by adding ed. You have to add ed at the end. Walk, walked. Play, played. So we have changed all these words to the past tense by adding ed at the end. Now be main. Now complete these sentences with the words you have just written. First one, the big spider dash Pam. So which one we will choose, children? We have to choose from here. Frightened. So pick frightened from this and write it here. They have already done for us. No need to write again. The big spider frightened Pam. Second one, the cat dash out of the basket. Which one I will choose from here? Jumped. Yes, the cat jumped out of the basket. Third one, children, I dashed football yesterday. Played. Yes, yesterday. That means the work is over. The action is completed. So we have to write I played. Choose played from here and copy it here. I play football is wrong. I played football yesterday. If it is present tense, how will you change it? I am playing football. If it is future, we will write it as I will play football tomorrow or in the evening. Now number 4, she reached school very late. We have chosen reached here. From here we have taken reached and just write it here. She reached school very late. Number 4. Fifth one will be we were tired, so we dashed slowly. We walked slowly. We have to choose walked from here and copy it down. So we have filled in the blanks and completed the sentences. Now children, the down, bottom main, A main, this is names of places. What are names of places called as? They are called as nouns. Names of places are called as nouns. Look at these pictures. Choose the correct words from the box. Garden, beach, station, market, park. Few words are given in the box and we have to choose the correct word and fill it down in the blank. Number 1. In summer, we love to go to the dash. B is the starting letter, children. They are given the clue here. Can you see the picture here? This is the clue. So we will choose beach. You can either tick it up or you can even put number 1 on top of beach in the box. It will be easy for you. Now write beach, B-E-A-C-H, beach. Second one, there are many flowers in our dash. Can you see the picture here? In our garden, G is the beginning letter, starting letter. Garden, where is garden here? You can either tick it or even you can put number 2 on top of the word. Now the next one, number 3. In the evening, Rita and I play in the park. Park is here, children. On the other page, park is the choose park and fill it here starting with P. Park, P-A-R-K, park. Number 4, we buy fruits and vegetables from the market. Yes, correct. Starting letter is M. Market. Can you see the picture here? That is the clue. And the first letter is the clue given here. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now the fifth one will be a train stops at a railway station. Yes, starts with S. Station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. For people to get up and get down. Understood, children? We are choosing the words from the given box. Now the second main, B main will be, look at these pictures. Unscramble the letters to make correct words. Clue, the words are from the story. See here, children, there are words given here, but the words are not in the correct order. The letters are scrambled, jumbled. We need to unscramble it and find out the correct answer, correct word. And the clue you can see here. So the first one, P-P-E-R-A, that will be Paper. Can you see the picture here? Seeing the picture, you will get the answer. Paper. All these letters are in the given word, but it is not in the correct order. So we are unscrambling it. P-A-P-E-R, paper. Now the second word, R-I-L-T-E-T. That is litter. They are given the starting letter and the ending letter. It will be litter. L-I-T-T-E-R, litter. Now the third one will be S-N-D-U-B-T-I. Can you see the girl putting the rubbish or the litter in the dustbin? So it will be dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Number 4, R-D-E-F-S-N-I. That would be friends. Can you see the picture here? F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Now the fifth one will be S-H-A-E-L-S-E-L. Can you see the clue here, picture clue? What it is? It's a seashell. Now we have to write the seashell, the word seashell. We are made from these letters. S-E-A-S-H-E-L-L, seashell. Now the last one will be C-K-U-E-B-T. Can you see here what is this? That's a bucket. So we have unscrambled B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Now page 109 is over. Children, now turn to next page 110. The first one speaking. Look at this picture. Tell your class about 6 things you see. You can use the words given in the box. This will be your homework, children. You have to practice at home. They are given few words here. That is the help box. And you can use these words to describe this picture. You have to talk in sentences, children. You need to talk in sentences. You need to speak using these words. This is the picture reading. The last one is writing. You went to the beach last Sunday with your family. Complete these sentences about what you did there. Use the words in the box. Then write these sentences in your notebook. We just write the missing words here, children, and complete the sentences. Now these are the words given in the help box. We should choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Number 1, we went to the beach last Sunday. That is the first sentence they have given, and we have to further keep writing based on this. Number 2, my father and mother sat on. Orange mat is given here, children. We are adding here the article an orange mat. Since O is a vowel here, we are using an orange mat. Now this will be number 2. You can copy it here. Second one is over. Now third one will be they sat under. Umbrella is given here, so we are adding the article an here because U is a vowel here. An umbrella. They sat under an umbrella. Now we will write it here as 3. Now the next one will be my brother looked for seashells. Seashells. Can you see where is seashells in the box? Here it is. Number 4. Now fifth one will be I made a sandcastle. Here sandcastle is given here, but we are using a here because S is a consonant. A sandcastle. Now the next one will be my sister was frightened when she saw a crab. Here C is a consonant, so we have added a here, the article a, and also singular. This will be 6. And the last one will be before coming home we ate ice creams. We ate ice creams. This will be number 7. You can fill it up later, children, this one. Hope you all understood, children, how to finish the textbook exercises. Hope the video was helpful to you. We'll meet you again in the next class. Bye for now.